Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday and yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes. We're coming to you from Model Farm Road. When you get to build a home for a family once, it's special. But when you get to do it twice, it's a dream come true. When you look back at the existing house, you see the potential it had. And today we've got this absolutely beautiful home. Look at that back garden. Look at all the finished detail. It's turned out so well. Let's take a look at the original design, what the house looked like before Sigma Homes got involved. You can see once you come in the hallway, it leads you straight into the kitchen. The kitchen was small, it was long, and it was narrow. It just didn't work. Once you go to the new design, you can see you come in that front door and it leads you into this amazing family room. You can really feel the big difference here. It's magic, I love it. I really love those steps, those limestone sills. It makes the home so welcoming. I can't wait to see the inside. Oh, it's so nice and cozy in here. So our clients bought this property about 5 years ago. It was 1,000 square feet, it was old and it needed a lot of work. That's when Sigma Homes got involved. Today, the property is 2,000 square feet of beautiful design space. This is the original sitting room in the house. I love the picture rail, I love the paint colours. This is the only room in the house that we haven't changed. The size, the shape, it's the original. Come on, I have so much to show you. This is the main bathroom in the house, but look at the interior choices. The grey blue colour and that white sharp tile and that herringbone wood tile effect. This has turned out gorgeous. Originally this house had 2 bedrooms and 1 small box room. Today we've got 4 luxury style bedrooms, walk-in wardrobe, ensuite and new staircase. Hardwood handrail, come on, let's take a look. The comfort and the feeling of that carpet, that new staircase. But behind me here is 3 out of the 4 main bedrooms, big double bedrooms. I want to show you what we did to that box room. Can you believe this used to be the box bedroom until Sigma Homes came in and we totally demolished this wall. We built on a big extension into the house, but look how well this room works now. You could have this a double bed, loads of storage, walk-in wardrobe. What about a home office for 2? Absolutely no problem here. Multi-use, I love when those options are available. Oh yes, I love the size of this bathroom, that shower, that hot bubbly bath, everything you need for a young family, a busy family. This is the thermostat for the master bedroom. What about if you like sleeping in different temperatures? 18 degrees, watch this. So, click twice, you've 18 degrees and you'll sleep well. What about if you like it a little bit warmer, 22? Again, 1 press to recognize it, 2 clicks, there you go, you've got 22 degrees. Finally, I get to see the master bedroom. This has everything you could ask for. Look at this walk-in wardrobe, all the space to die for. But what about the bathroom? It's got that hotel luxury feel to it. Come on, let's take a look. The energy that comes from that window and that connection with the outside, but the colour scheme, this bathroom works absolutely perfect. Could you imagine every morning waking up and having a hot shower here? I love it. The original house had suspended floors. They were timber and a big void underneath. No insulation, loads of noise when you walked. Today we've got proper concrete underfloor heating and look at those floorboards. It's so luxury to walk on. Oh, this has turned out so good. I absolutely love it. It's about 55 square meters. Behind us, we've got that lounge, watching that movie, but still connected to your family. We've room here for a dining table, and look at that kitchen and that big connection to the outside. You've got to see all the detail in this kitchen. You can see our granite, our beautiful warm colors. I love the cutout here in the granite. This creates a draining board. This is perfect when you want that clean look in the island. I love how these colours, while they're totally different, they completely complement each other, totally setting the mood of the home. We still haven't seen the utility room. Come on, let's take a look. Oh my God, the minute you open the door, you can see how much space you have. It feels so comfortable being in here. Remember, this is the engine room of the house. We've got everything you need. This is where you get to see what the project is all about, where the out and in completely make that connection. Look at the finished detail here, but it comes with a surprise. It's not this beautiful limestone sill, and it's not this gorgeous stone. It's what's under the ground here, an aqua box. You know, when you turn on that tap and you hear all that noise, especially at night time, we've completely removed it and we've put it outside in the garden. It's hard to believe this home was a D2 rating, 1,000 square feet. Today, it's 2,000 square feet, but most importantly, it's an A3 rating. It's a new home, it's a new beginning. The clients are on their way and I'm excited. I want to thank our clients for choosing Sigma Homes, but most importantly, for trusting Sigma Homes. To all the Sigma Homes team, I love you guys. This is an amazing project and credit to every single one of you.